Artificial intelligence has transitioned from simple generative chatbots into what we now call agentic AI. Unlike passive chatbots, agents use tools. They can operate software, navigate browsers, and interact with APIs to achieve complex, multi-step goals. This represents a shift toward intent-based computing. Users define the outcome, and the AI agent manages the entire execution process. The current landscape is defined by three primary pillars. First, neurosymbolic AI merges deep learning pattern recognition with verifiable symbolic logic, significantly reducing hallucinations. Second, the rise of small language models allows for powerful intelligence to run locally on edge devices. This ensures greater privacy and faster processing speeds without reliance on external cloud infrastructure. Third, the advancement of physical intelligence enables robotics to perform complex tasks, effectively bridging the gap between digital reasoning and real-world physical interaction. Looking ahead, AI is evolving into a personal operating system. It integrates into your daily life, seamlessly managing complex schedules and digital infrastructure. Ultimately, the field's focus has shifted. We are now ensuring that as these autonomous systems gain agency, they remain strictly aligned with human-defined safety bounds.